Alright, I'm going to show you how I made these flowers with nail polish. I used regular floral wire that I picked up at Walmart. I just took a round pencil, which I got this idea from Secret Soto. So I'm wrapping it around. There's one, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are going to be the petals. And then I clip it. And now I'm going to tighten it up. Just going to spin that around. Not too hard because you don't want to break the wire. And then take it off of the pencil, and then you take another piece of wire. I think I measured, it doesn't really matter. That's like 6 inches, maybe a bit bigger. That's actually kind of too big. Too long. So you put it inside the middle of the hole, which is the petals, and you're tightening that up together to hold the petals together. It will be basically like the middle of the flower. You'll find other ways to better do this that's more comfortable with for yourself. So I just took the tool and did the same thing as before, tightening it up, but not too hard because it will break. And then I'm just winding them up together, twisting them together. I found another way to make that look really cool. I'll have to do another video. So I've made like probably 30 of them today. Another addiction. Alright, so you take them apart, just 3 on one side and 2 on the other. I'm going to link Secret Soto's tutorial too. You might find it easier to be explained by her. So right now I'm pulling them apart to form them into flowers, into a petal, you know how a flower is. I don't think it has to be perfect either. The more I have done, the better they're looking. Alright, so there's the flower. And now I'm going to get the nail polish ready. I think the gel nail polish works really well. You can use any nail polish though. I'm just reforming my petals. And of course, when I was videoing this, it wasn't cooperating very well. Because when you're videoing, you get nervous, I guess. I do anyways. I'm not usually this messy with it either, but okay. I find that it's easier to go in from on the bottom like that. You'll see. I promise it will work. Did you just get on there? There it goes. Yeah, that's right. If you go on the top part too a little bit, that helps sometimes. You don't wipe the brush off. You just let it be as big amount of nail polish on there as possible. It's so fun. They're so pretty too. I used some clear top coat and made one too earlier today. It looks really cute. I used red wire. There it is. Okay, can't see. There you go. So that's how I did it, and I will put Secret Soto's link on there too. And oh yeah, I put it on one of those foam thingamajigs to dry off. See y'all later.